All right, why is everyone buying this convertible folding sofa bed? It's flying off the shelves on Amazon. Why is that? So reason number one is that it is flying off the shelves. It is selling over 200 units every single month. And when people see that, when they know that that's happening, it causes them to do a double take. Like, okay, why is this convertible folding sofa bed selling so many units every month? There must be something about it. Then they go to the page and they look at the ratings, 288 ratings at an average of, I think it's 4.5 stars. So to me, once you get into the at least 4 stars range with at least 50 ratings, you're getting an accurate read on customer satisfaction. This has 288 ratings. So you get a beyond accurate read. And once you get into the at least 4 stars, I feel good about the product. Most of the products I buy are probably 4.2 to 4.3 stars. And that's, if it's got that, like, dude, I'm confident in the product. 4.5 stars, that is astronomical. I am beyond confident. I know this product is going to be what I expect it to be. And then you go to number 2 and you see the price point, and straight up, dude, that makes no sense. For this, I mean, dude, this should at least be, dude, double would still be an amazing deal. I'm just going to tell you that right now. Which leads me to point number 3, which is I have reviewed over definitely at least 30 of these folding sofa beds, if not 50 or more. I've reviewed a lot over the last 3.5 years. And literally just yesterday, I reviewed what was then the most comfortable folding sofa bed I've ever reviewed. And then I pulled this one out of the box, and this is now the new most comfortable folding sofa bed I've ever used. Extremely comfortable. Straight up has a legit mattress feel. I've never sat or laid on a folding sofa bed that has a legit mattress feel to it. So first and foremost, it has on the top right here this very soft, bring this up here like this. It's very soft, like faux fur, like very soft to the touch, very comfortable faux fur. You know, now that I'm up here, I'll just show you. At the bottom, it does have a, what do you call it? Anti-slip vibe, or whatever you call that. But the top of it is extremely so anti-slip that it's hard to move as when it's on the floor, because it wants to not move. But comfortable on top. Then you get into the high density foam is the next layer. Then there's some sort of like small like cotton type layer. Then you get into the individual pocket springs down in the middle right here, which gives this a mattress. It feels like a legitimate mattress. And then the bottom is sort of the same as the top, where it goes in that little cotton layer, high density sponge again. And then you got the faux fur vibe on the top, which is just, the faux fur adds a lot. I think there's a chance that like this, you know, I've reviewed probably 50 of these, and there may only have been 2 of these that are actually this comfortable with this faux fur vibe on the top. Maybe 3 or 4, I'm not sure. I think it's just 2 though. So this is extremely comfortable, which is probably my main point. Everyone's buying it, the price point, and then it's just extremely comfortable. That's a massive vibe. Oh, it also comes with this pillow right here. So nice vibe. There's a chance it could fluff up more, because I took it out of the box yesterday, but that could be what it is. But it's a very nice pillow, very soft. And then you get into point number 4, which is the versatility of it. So obviously this is with this pillow, I guess you don't necessarily need the pillow. You got this little back right here to sit down on it. Let's just keep it in the seated position for now. Now that I'm doing that, you effortlessly just switch it to this position, and it becomes a chair. You can either use this or not use this, like so. Chair like this. Also, and it works best if you're leaning up against a wall, especially for this last one. If you're leaning up against a wall, you can sort of put this up here and lean this on the wall, and it becomes sort of like a high back chair. I mean, it's almost like can be sort of like an ottoman almost too, almost. And then you got the last piece, which is, it is a legit mattress for sleeping. And this is legit. Like straight up, dude, this is legit. It's legit. And it Velcros. So like this thing, it Velcros on both sides to the top. So you just unvelcro it and you're ready to go. And I'll put this pillow here. You can also use your own pillow, whatever. And so for reference, I'm about 5'11", and my head, let's see, my head is not hanging off the top. My feet are not hanging off the top. So at least it appears to be over 6 feet. It probably says on the page in the photos, but it's definitely over 6 feet. Probably less than 6.5 feet, I think, but maybe it's 6.5 feet. But dude, this thing, and also it's like, dude, this is a legit mattress. Obviously, this is great just to have around your house for, you know, when guests come over, maybe you have people sleeping over. It's a piece of furniture that also folds into a mattress. People can have a bed. If you don't have an extra room, extra bed, whatever, this is the extra bed. And it also is just a chair you can have in your living room for an extra piece of furniture. Also, portable. You could bring this if you're going to someone's house and they don't have an extra bed. You can bring this with you, and this is your bed. Also, extra piece of furniture. You can bring it camping. This thing's amazing, dude. The best folding sleeper sofa I have ever reviewed, and I definitely highly recommend it.